welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can set Google Password Manager as your preferred service on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open Settings, and in Settings you want to scroll and select the option General Management. Under General Management, tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill. Then from here, you should see Preferred Service. Tap on it. Currently, it's set to Samsung Pass, which is the password saving service Samsung offers. But to switch to the Google option, simply select Google, then tap on OK. And once you've done that, now all your passwords will be saved to Google. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.